Yeah. All right. Shit, what's wrong with that?
Nothing. That's the recliner version. And if you
let me sit in it. So my fat ass ain't gonna break it. Oh yeah, dude.
That's and if you wanted to sit
This
it
is
up,
a fire chair right here, man.
oh, I know. That's what I'm saying.
Hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. That's perfect fire chair.
Yep.
Shit, did I feel raindrops? Oh hell.
Oh, yeah.
Figures.
Tarp.
It gets twisted a little bit. And I don't know that you have to split the joint on these, but that's what I did. You know what I'm saying? Like this one here, I straddled one hole on this side and one on this side.
Oh, yeah, that's probably the smart thing.
That's what I figured. Yeah. But it didn't say that. You know, you could put these together any way you wanted.
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy. One shelf.
Thank you.
Maybe next time you come, I'll have another one for you if you want. If you end up having room, but you should.
I don't. Suzanne sees something that she wants, or Old Path. So what my plan is to go. My plan is to go and go see Suzanne either on the way out to see Old Path or see Suzanne on the way back to see, because they're not all that far apart. He's in Mississippi, in the northern part of Mississippi.
Really?
So yeah, it's like 4 hours, 4.5 hours.
Old Path. Let me think. Trying to think of what his name was.
Alan.
Alan Guthrie.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I like Old Path. He always comments on that.
Yeah, he's a good fella.
Yep. But you know, there's a lot of good fellers that we've been fortunate to
Oh
meet.
yeah. Yep.
Cherry Burl.
Yes, Rhinestone's getting that.
There you go. She'll like that. She's got that artistic vibe going on.
Dude, she does some amazing stuff.
No kidding.
I really like the axe. I'd like to figure out how to do the axe etch. Well, she showed you how to do it. Yeah, that etching is some cool stuff.
Here's a few other little pieces, just accent pieces of black walnut.
Oh, nice.
You might be able to
Yeah,
use it for something.
Yeah.
I've got a box of this stuff that I'm going to keep. You know, those nice woods are nice to work with without having to go and buy the nice woods. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, you're the creator. You can,
Yeah. Well,
you know.
I try to be, but.
See my mom's bench.
Oh wow.
My dad had that made her. The Amish. May as well show it in the picture. The Amish made that. My dad bought this in about 1985. Paid $100 for that.
Wow.
And my dad just passed away. So I got Loretta's bench.
That's cool. It's like a
Like a
wagon seat.
Yeah, it's got the spring-loaded wagon
Yeah.
wheel.
That's pretty neat.
Here's another piece. You might have to get that stuff next time. We should have probably put that on the bottom.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
One of them might fit in here. Help keep some of this dry.
There you go. Yeah, I might. Well, I don't know if I got a way to take anything down.
Do what?
I don't think I got any. What? You might have a strap.
I got some straps if you need them. Will this fit in the front seat, or you want to put this?
No, there ain't no room for anything in there.
We'll try to level off a flat spot, just with wood, and then we'll put these in there. How's that sound?
Sounds good. Gotta have my Kool-Aid.
You got a bit of white oak here. So this one here is a red oak. It's got wormy,
Yeah.
but it's also got some spalking in it.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. I mean, these, you can make benches out of these.
Yeah.
And then, fairly comfortable. And then we'll put some in his side, and strap over these.
Okay.
Maybe set that door on top of it. Strap the door on there too. You want this? Some
Sure.
trellis.
Sure. That's cedar, ain't it? That
Yep.
white cedar or something.
Yep.
Pick it.
There's a video of that online. You want these handles?
Sure. Wheelbarrow handle?
Yep.
Yeah.
Actually, I got a wheelbarrow. I don't know if you want it or not. It needs a new,
Wheel.
no, it's got this is the never flat wheel. But I bought it with a metal machines and sell them.
Definitely. We just got to get the sizes and stuff down where we can batch out a few of them.
Well, this is how you do it. You make money when you get your shit for free.
That's true.
Yeah. Let's see if it goes better.
It might. Yeah. All right. Shit, what's wrong with that?
Nothing. That's the recliner
Yeah.
version. And if you
Let me sit in it. So my fat ass ain't gonna break it. Oh yeah. Dude,
that's and if you wanted to sit
this
it
is
up,
a fire chair right here, man.
oh, I know. That's what I'm saying.
Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. That's perfect fire chair.
Yep. Actually, this is upside down. This is the bottom.
Oh
But
yeah.
It really it don't make no difference. You can do it however, but like I said, if you put the wedge in there,
Right, it'll hold you up.
it'll make it more of an upright
Yeah.
versus that. It's just a little bit of adjusting. That'll sit better this way.
Right.
That
Yeah, I like that.
while the yeah, it's a little bit more space would be nice. Cool. Yeah. Sweet. Put that on top of the glass, and then
Yeah.
put this in there on top of that.
do. I got so much shit piled on now, I'll never find them, but I don't think, it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
I think
just drive slow.
I think I got a bag that's got some scraps in it. Is this thing still running? It is. But the motorized version is a $188 option. That costs $116 a piece, and they're going to give me 4 of them. And all of it together, I've processed is $2,200. I'm going to get it all for nothing if I agree to their terms.
But you have to get so many views and stuff, right?
No,
They're not making you do. I heard somebody talking about that. Well, you gotta get so many views.
I've never had anybody tell me.
They never said that?
No restrictions. I mean, some of them will say, well, we want you to do this or that or the next thing. And no, I haven't had any problems with any of the ones that I've chosen to do, but I have just walked away from some. But I got the blind company. You see those white racks?
Yeah.
I bought those, but the same company got in touch with me. I don't know if they saw them in one of my videos, but they got in touch with me and they want to give me 2 different. I can take my pick, but they got double decker ones, and they're like $400, and then they got another one that's like $200.
You'd never know from the 15 miles from town you gotta drive just to get out here, and it's all wood.
Yeah.
Like, shit.
Yep.
It took me an hour, almost an hour to get out here from my house.
I figured it was gonna. I mean. There you go. I'll put that strap in there.
Anyway, I had good luck with Ben. Damn, that's even got the wash, the deck wash system thing on there.
Oh yeah, just hook it up and spray it.
Yeah. Shit. Should be a hook behind that metal stuff. There you go. Yeah.
Maybe you might want to stop and give it a couple
Yeah,
of
I
strokes.
will. It'll settle a little bit. Is it getting me over here?
Yeah, you're just on the far edge of it,
Okay.
and then I'll be able to get part of you cruising up the road. Oh man, I know I did, but it's one of the things. Ever since I've had chemo, I forget I do stuff like that. Did I turn that on? Did I close that window? And on a few really right after I had the chemo, I mean, one time I probably had to go check to make sure I closed the window 5 times before I left the house. Because did I think about going in there?
Or did I actually
in
go?
there? Yeah.
I do that shit, man. Can't remember shit. Well, all right, man.
Yes,
Thanks.
sir. You're welcome.
I sure do appreciate it. And I'm going to be back for the lathe. I'm coming back.
All right, come on. Fare thee well, safe journey through the backwoods of Wedowie.
Yeah.
See you, brother.
See ya.